Welcome to Adlantique, your one-stop solution to all advertising needs. In this video, you will be walked through the process of how to create a campaign. First, sign into your Adlantique account. If you are yet to create an account, kindly watch the video on how to sign up. Next, click on the Create Campaign button at the top of your screen. You will be asked if you'd like Adlantique to design your campaign ad. If yes, please see the video on how to request for creatives before you proceed. If on the other hand, you have your creatives ready, click on the I have my creatives button. You'll be asked to select your preferred service platform. You may choose more than one. Click on the Proceed button and input a campaign name. Click on the pencil icon beside your selected platform and fill in the form as required. In the course of filling the form, you will be requested to upload a creative. If you have your creative, please upload. If you had earlier requested Adlantique to make a creative for you, kindly click on the Request Creative button. Save and preview to see if any information needs to be corrected. Then, click on the Publish button. Repeat the same process for all the other platforms that you have selected. Click on the Proceed to Checkout button at the top right side of your screen. Proceed to make payments. You have the privilege of making changes to your campaign within 24 hours of payment. Please note, your campaign would begin 5 working days after all payments are made and all creatives are submitted.